All right. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be we're gonna start with we're gonna do the GoPhish link, domain link domain to your GoPhish. First way to do it is to change domain name servers to VPS name servers. This is how we're gonna do it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to a domain registrar. We're gonna go to manage domains. In our domain registrar, dynado.com, where you register your domain, you're gonna go there and you're gonna go to manage domains, right? My domains, manage domains. Then the domain that you're going to use, the domain that you want your GoPhish app to point to show. If you see.com, since you have already registered it by now, so you're going to click on it. Yeah, so it's going to open up. Then when it opens up, you're going to go to your DNS settings. DNS settings. This is DNS settings. You go click on it. Then you're going to, in this place, you're going to go to name servers. Click on name server. This is where you're going to change name server. So the first thing to do when you want to point your domain to your GoPhish application is to go change your name servers. I'm going to provide the name servers for you. You're going to change the name servers from your domain registrar to your VPS registrar. So paste it. I'm going to provide the name servers. So just do exactly what I'm doing. Copy the first one, paste there. Copy the second one. Go to your domain registrar and paste. You're going to click on add more server because it's going to be theory. Then you're going to go back and copy the third one, the last one, copy it. Then you're going to go paste it on go paste it here. So when you're done, you're going to click enter, save name server. So so once that is a success, you see success there, then you know that has been done. That's the first step in actually pointing your domain to your GoPhish app. Now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go to, but you see one thing, when you've done that, you're going to have to wait for maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then when you've done it, you're going to go to this website, this intodns.com. You're going to paste the domain name and click on report to see whether it has propagated. You're waiting 30 minutes to 1 hour so that the name servers can propagate. It can propagate all over the internet. So when you go to it and check it, you see that the ones that we put, the new ones we put, is not there. You know that it has worked. But if it's not there, if you see the old one, the Dyna.name servers, then you have to wait more time. So when you've done that, you go back to your VPS registrar, where you bought your VPS from. This is where you go to the DNS manager. Then in that DNS manager, you copy your domain. You go to this add domain to DNS, you paste it there. Then the IP is the IP of the VPS you bought. The IP, you're going to go copy it. I'm going to go grab my IPS. Grab my IPS. Then we're going to copy it, and then I'm going to copy and paste it. Add domain entry. You're going to click on add domain entry. Just follow what I'm doing. See what I'm doing, you follow it. This is domain added. Then you manage. Click on that manage. Click on the manage. This is the this thing where you're going to click on that manage. That manage you're going to click on now. So then you're going to see it has DNS records. Advanced DNS editor shows the DNS records. Good. This is a good thing. This is a good sign. So this is where we're going to do. We're going to add records and delete records. This is where normally once you get to this place, you're supposed to add an A record that shows the domain name and the IP address. A record, that points to that the name is the domain name and the content is the IP address. But it's already added here for us, so we're not going to do much. This kind of thing, they also do something like this edit it. So you see this is where the content, this is supposed to the domain name, then it has the IP is pointing to the content, which is an A record. It's pointing to the IP. So good. That's a good sign. When we've done this, we're going to have to wait for like 24 hours. Or once you've done this, before the thing can reflect. After 24 hours, this needs to take 24 to 48 hours. It takes a lot of time to propagate. Sometimes it can even take maybe a few hours. So whenever you have done this and you've added the A record is already there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is when you've done all this one, make sure you see that one we added that time. The first one is showing, it's reflecting. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. And so we're going to continue the site. We're going to go to our domain. After 24 hours, you feel like maybe it has propagated. You go to the domain and you click on your domain. Put it on your website to check whether to load the GoPhish app. Make sure that your this is always on. Your Bitwise client and your server is always on. And the GoPhish ID. So I make sure that you add the port number 176. So that's the port number that is in that your configured JSON. The port number that you added. That 176 for your own will be different. I don't know what you added there, but make sure that you add it the colon port number. Then you see that it says client set to HTTPS request. Then you add HTTPS colon and / you click on it and enter. It's supposed to show, pops up the GoPhish. So these are, you see now, it's no longer that I don't remember the other time it was having numbers. It's no longer numbers. It's not like it's pretty much now. It's so yeah. So I was saying, so it's no longer it's no longer those